Hello, here's something interesting about crypto. Crypto narratives, how they emerge, and who really drives market stories. Crypto narratives today are just as important as technology, liquidity, or regulation. You can have excellent code, a solid team, and a meaningful business model, but until a story gains traction in the market, the project remains in the shadows. On the other hand, we've also seen projects with very questionable foundations make significant strides simply because they hit the right moment, the right mood, and the right narrative. Crypto narratives are how the market explains to itself why capital moves in one direction and not another. Crypto narratives connect capital, media, community, and market cycles, creating stories that attract new liquidity and direct the interest of retail investors. Most people notice them only when the story is already everywhere. AI season, RWA season, gaming season, meme coin season. But few wonder who started the story, why now, and what was happening in the background while most still thought it was just another sector. If we want to understand crypto cycles deeper than the superficial everything goes up, everything goes down, we must understand how crypto narratives emerge and who really. Thanks for watching. Share with friends.